Hello and welcome to this course. I'm very excited that you are joining me. I am Dio Samuel and I'm going to be your guide in this entire course. Now, this is product creation strategies for coaches and trainers, and this course is basically to help you grow your business brand or message with results focused content. The goal is for you to create transformational products ideas in less time. Now, I know a lot of coaches actually work with people, and if you're the type that is looking for a leveraged way to actually get your coaching business, your training business to actually work, then you are in for a great ride. Now, let's quickly jump over to what to expect. What can you expect to get in this course? Number one, you would have a unique system for creating specific results and transformations for your clients. Number two, you will have a remarkable product or program ready to offer to your market, audience, or clients. Number three, you will know what content to offer as free invitation to people in your circles of influence. And then number four, you will be able to create paid invitation to higher versions of your solution. That is, by the time you go through this program, before you get to the end, you'll be able to understand how to create free invitations and how to create paid invitations, because of course, as a coach, as a trainer, people need to experience you before they actually get to buy something from you. So what you are going to develop from here, based on the content that you are going to be putting together, you are going to have free version and you're also going to be having paid version. But more importantly, the paid version or the free version, they are going to be custom system. They are going to be your own signature process, not something that is generic or something that can be found everywhere on the internet. So you're very, very welcome. Now let's jump forward. Why does this matter? Why is it important for you to actually learn this at this stage in your journey? First, sometimes we have ideas that are revolutionary. But of course, if the idea only stays in our notes or maybe stays in our heads, the revolutionary power of that idea loses its essence. How many times in your life have you had ideas that you wish you could create product on this basic idea or that idea, and then some months down the line, you still have that idea in your head, you have not done anything about it? Well, you are going to be able to quickly learn how to execute based on an idea that you have. You are even going to learn how to be able to actually develop that idea such that one idea can actually become multiple ideas at once. Number two, if you ever battled imposter syndrome, this course will help you unlock your true authentic genius so you can do what matters to you in life and in business. So number three, this is best for those who want to use a leverage model of working with people. That results in freedom, fun, more money. So if you are like me and you would like to work with people in the leveraged model, and by leveraged model I'm referring to the fact that you're not going to be working more of one-on-one, but you're going to be working in terms of working using a leveraged model to work with others. So rather than exchanging time for money, rather than telling people, killing yourself over certain tasks that you have to do for clients, how you can actually use a leveraged model. That's how you get to learn that from here as well. And then number four, what you learn is so simple you wonder why you've not been doing this all these years. If you have been in business for any amount of time, what you're going to learn from this course is so simple that you'll be wondering, why is it that I have not known this all this while? But of course, it is only when you get into the course that you can know what I'm referring to. I am Dio Samuel and I'm going to be your guide in this entire process. So welcome to course content creation strategies for coaches and trainers. I'm going to see you in the next lesson.